Tired of third-party transaction fees and want to accept credit cards directly on your Shopify store? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up Shopify Payments, the platform's built-in payment processor. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Shopify Payments is the simplest way to accept payments because it's integrated directly into your admin, requiring no extra setup fees or external accounts. First, from your Shopify admin, go to Settings, and then click on Payments. In the Payment Providers section, you will see an option for Shopify Payments. Click Complete Account Setup. You'll now need to provide your business details, including your business EIN, your personal information, and your banking details for payouts. This information is required for verification and to transfer your sales revenue. Fill out every section accurately, including your products and billing statement details. Once submitted, your account will typically be reviewed and activated quickly, often within minutes. A crucial pro tip: ensure your business address and legal name match your official documents exactly to avoid delays. Once active, you can customize your customer-facing settings, like whether to capture payments manually or automatically. And just like that, you're ready to accept major credit cards and save on additional transaction fees. Activating Shopify Payments streamlines your entire financial workflow. Have you switched from another processor to Shopify Payments? Share your experience in the comments below. To add another popular option, subscribe for our next video on how to add PayPal to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.